Okay, guys. Good morning, everyone. That's Business and Management Games podcast. And today I'm gonna try two new things and let's see how it goes. I'm just trying to find what's the best fit and how to play this game so that it's interesting and engaging, and where we can cut corners to avoid this kind of long reads or long text inputs. So that's what I'm gonna focus on today. The second thing I'm going to try and focus on is I will, instead of generating random project, I will select a project that I would gladly manage myself. For example, that I am interested in managing. Let's say I'm going to apply to this job, project manager in London area, 500 pounds per day umbrella, right? So that would be interesting for me to manage. And I'm going to record. I will ask AI to generate this specific project based on the information that is given on the job. And of course, I selected the job that features all this information. So please generate a project that would fit this position. Okay. Tiled, yeah, and maybe I've missed some important information. Yeah, the company name as well. So the company name and what else do we need to add? So domain, culture, size of the project probably is featured there. Okay. Um, this job description. I think this might be very interesting for companies to check. And for example, maybe this in future, it will be one of the stages of the interview, for example, because I don't think that HR or recruiter is able to identify and maybe screen and maybe filter people who are not good fit for the position. But I think, can do it easily. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Okay, so we are gonna manage project Data Lake Project Manager. I don't think Data Lake is even a thing in terms of project management. That's of course a very specific domain that they want, and yeah, so we'll try and manage project in that specific and very narrow domain. Okay, urgent briefing by the PMO director. Welcome aboard. We need you to hit the ground running because, to be frank, this project is in serious trouble. Our Azure Data Lake implementation is massively behind schedule. Stakeholders are losing patience, and executive leadership is breathing down my neck. Costs have spiraled well beyond initial estimates. Data integrations are failing left and right. And worst of all, we don't have a single reliable report to show for it. Okay. That's very similar to projects I managed before, cloud projects that we worked with. So yeah, let's see how it goes. The business is experiencing a state-of-the-art data lake with seamless data ingestion. Expecting, not experiencing. What am I saying? The business is expecting a state-of-the-art data lake with seamless data ingestion, accurate reporting, and secure access controls. So basically, they live in fantasy world probably, but okay. Let's see how it goes. Because seamless data ingestion means that you need to have a very good and reliable data, and I haven't seen good and reliable data yet. It's yet to be seen by me. Basically, what I'm saying is the data is always like old, corrupt, broken a little bit, and maybe like 98% correct data is that's what I'm expecting. So 2% of data is going to be corrupt, and we need to do something about that. But again, that's the reality I experienced. But the business, of course, wants fantasy. Accurate reporting. This is actually doable, even if the data is not perfect. That's fine. Secure access controls. That's definitely doable and needed and extremely needed for this project. Instead, we have incomplete pipelines, performance bottlenecks, and frustrated teams pointing fingers at each other. I won't sugarcoat it. If we don't turn this around in the next 6 months, we're looking at a major reputational and financial hit. Okay, so again, we have 6 months to turn this around. You have full authority to make changes within reason. If it's banking, probably this is never the case, and I will have like multiple layers, and project governance will be very complicated. But probably, yeah, if I have that, that's make things much easier. But leadership needs results fast. This is your chance to prove yourself in a high stakes environment. Any questions before we get to onboarding? No questions so far. Uh, Project status critically failing 0.65 and zero point 0.6 severely delayed. Yeah, that's not good. That's not good. Stakeholder satisfaction low. Team morale low. Okay. Visible issues. Hidden issues. You should not be doing that. Ah, come on. AI. AI definitely wants to please. I think if issues are hidden, you should hide them, not show them. Let's just scroll these. So let's look at visible issues: project delays, cost overruns, stakeholders mistrust, data quality issues, and technical bottlenecks. Performance and okay, so hidden issues. Okay, next steps. Yeah. So this is an overview that we definitely need to skip because then the game will not be interesting to play. Let's go to the onboarding.